Alright, dudes. Keep those fins inside the fish. Hold on tight. Because you're ready, the fish is ready, and here we go!
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Ready for the wildest ride in the wilderness. Give 'em away. It's so good. It's not that. Oh, it's going again! It's going again! Yay! Oh, we're getting 4 laps! Yes! 4 lap special. Yeah. This is the original roller coaster for Thorpe Park, and it opened in 1979. I don't think this is here in 1979, but the original roller coaster. We're going to get 5 lap special. We're getting a 5 lap. Yay! Oh, I can't say you do 6, but that would be good. Oh, it's slowing down now. That was good, wasn't it?